Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to London Heathrow, Terminal 5. The local time here is 11 minutes past 9 in the morning. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt signs have been switched off. You may now make and receive calls, as well as use your data services on your handheld electronic devices. When it is safe to leave your seat, take care when opening overhead lockers, as items may have moved and could fall out and cause injury. Before leaving the aircraft, please make sure you have all your personal belongings with you, and remember that smoking is not allowed until you have reached the designated area. If your journey ends here at Heathrow, on leaving the aircraft, please follow the yellow signs for arrival. If you're connecting onto another flight from Heathrow today, please follow the purple signs for flight connection, where our ground colleagues will be ready to assist you. As part of British Airways' ongoing commitment to the environment, we invite you to use newspapers on the front seats of the aircraft so they may be recycled. Here at British Airways and the One World Alliance would like to welcome home our customers who live here in London and wish those of you visiting an enjoyable stay. If you're travelling on further, we wish you a safe onward journey. It has been our pleasure to serve you, and we look forward to welcoming you back again very soon. Thank you.